Okay, see, I just kind of put my hand from shooting the elbow up there. I put it down right where the contour is here. That's where I want my hand to rest. See, it kind of puts my hand right out where I want it to be. Okay, and then I can rest my thumb on my pickup, or I can rest it here. Sometimes I can rest it here on the neck. And then, so the very beginning of the song goes. And then it goes into our normal part. Okay, so try to make sure you get that good hand placement at home when you're practicing, just so you can give your arm a rest.